Home ready to turn your space into a money-making machine? Whether you're a seasoned host or a newbie, our ultimate guide has tips to boost your income. Glowing star, from creating an irresistible listing to setting the right price, we've got you covered. Watch now to elevate your hosting game and start cashing in on Airbnb. Welcome. Today, we're diving into Airbnb, where your space transforms into a cash cow. Stick around for game-changing strategies on how to maximize your earnings. Segment 1. Crafting the perfect listing camera with flash. Learn the art of creating an irresistible listing. From high-quality photos to a compelling description, we'll make your space stand out. Segment 2. Setting the right price. Money bag. Discover our secret formula for finding the sweet spot that maximizes income. Explore dynamic pricing strategies to stay ahead. Segment 3. Enhancing the guest experience. Bed happy guests mean positive reviews. Uncover tips for a welcoming atmosphere, from thoughtful amenities to personalized touches. Segment 4. Leveraging Airbnb experiences. Globe. Monetize your skills with Airbnb experiences. Turn your passion into a profitable side hustle, from cooking classes to unique workshops. Segment 5. Navigating challenges and solutions. Thinking face. Handle common issues like cancellations and difficult guests with grace. Our troubleshooting guide will keep you cool under pressure. Additional tips. Light bulb. Boost your Airbnb income with these bonus tips. Implement a self-check-in system for convenience. Invest in quality linens for that extra touch, and consider offering discounts for longer stays. These extras can enhance your guest experience and lead to more positive reviews and bookings. Rocket, the ultimate guide to turning your space into an Airbnb income powerhouse. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Implement these strategies today for a cash flow boost. Happy hosting, and see you next time. Home. Check our playlist for more in-depth tutorials and success stories. Until next time, happy hosting and maximizing profits. Finance No Worries believes in you.